Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have another NASCAR Authentics Next Gen from the 2022 Wave 2. We have Kyle Larson's Next Gen test car. And on the back you can get other Next Gen cars like Kevin Harvick's Gear Wrench car or Dale Jr.'s Hellman's Xfinity car or other Next Gen test cars. Let's get Kyle Larson's car out of the box. So obviously here's the sticker, the team's logo, Hendrick Motorsports, the number 5, and the Chevrolet logo. So here is Kyle Larson's test car. His car is, I think, one of the most boring ones next to Chase Elliott's, since Chase Elliott's car in this wave is similar to his car. So obviously it has the classic number 5 Hendrick Motorsports that's always been there. The Hendrick Motorsports logo, along with the giant Chevrolet. Obviously on the sides now, the number 5 is way out to the side, and the Chevy logo takes up the nearly 2/3 of the side of the car. On the back, it has Hendrick Motorsports, Camaro, number 5. And obviously this is his test car, and he came out for a very good year, good 2021, where he won the championship, and unfortunately he did get knocked out. Also, for the Next Gens, I forgot to mention out in some of my 3 last Next Gen videos, is the exhaust pipe, and now there's only one, and it's way out to the left side of the car, which is pretty neat. Also underneath, a pretty smooth design along with this feature. I don't know what it is, so maybe you can tell me what it is in the comments. And that's all I have. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. If you want more, click the subscribe button below and check out my channel for other videos. Thanks for watching.